Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to take advantage of placeholders. Now, if you go to the Insert menu and you go all the way to the bottom, you'll notice that you can't actually click on Placeholder, and there's a reason for that. A placeholder is something you're going to put in your slide deck's theme or master slides. So in order to access a placeholder, I'm actually going to go to View, and I'm going to select Theme Builder. Now, this is basically your master slides for your whole presentation. It controls the theme for slides, fonts, stuff like that. This is where we take advantage of placeholders. So here are all of my different master slides. I'm going to click on this one. And now if I click on Insert, right now I can actually access it. Right? So I can insert a title placeholder, a subtitle placeholder, a body text placeholder, or even an image placeholder. And I'm going to choose an oval image, put it in, and then I'm going to put it just sort of over here. And now anytime I add this type of slide, there will be a circular image placeholder that I can then insert an image into. And it will always be there every time I open this kind of slide, and then I can just replace it with whatever image. So let's see how that works. All right, let me insert one of those slides. Notice this little visual of the different slides that I can add has that circular placeholder in it now, so I know exactly which master slide has it. So I'm going to insert that. And now, to insert an actual image here, I can just click on this little picture of the image, search the web. All right. I'm going to use a picture of John Candy, insert that, and then notice it keeps that circular disc around it. I don't have a rectangular frame anymore. It uses a circular frame, which is really kind of cool. But that's how you can take advantage of having some consistency in your imagery and design with your slide decks, or just to get very similar types of content and in your slides by taking advantage of these placeholders.